Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to All Things Paris. So today I am doing a cooking video for y'all. I'm going to cook Chipotle chicken cheese pizza, okay? It's going to be really, really good. So if you're really into pizza meals or just interested in seeing how I do mine, stay tuned. Alright, for this pizza you're going to need, of course, the pizza crust. You can start off with pizza crust from scratch. Me personally, I don't want to go through all of that, so I went ahead and just bought mine at Walmart. Then I have the pizza sauce. For seasoning, I use McCormick Grill Mates Chipotle and roasted garlic, Monterey Jack, mozzarella cheese, mild cheddar, and I have already cooked Chipotle seasoned chicken. So, and of course you're going to need something to cook the pizza on in the oven. And so let's go ahead and start with the first step. You're going to make sure that you get your pizza sauce on your pizza crust. You could put as much or as little pizza sauce as you would like. Just depend upon how saucy you like your pizza. Alright, so now it looks like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Chipotle seasoning and just sprinkle a little bit of that on the sauce itself. You could put as much or as little as you would like. Alrighty, now it's time to get our cheeses on. I'm first going to take some Monterey Jack. And I would personally just put a little bit of, each one, because it's all going to add up if you're going to go ahead and put all of the cheeses. If you're going to put one, then, put accordingly. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my mozzarella cheese. Now, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and go in with the mild cheddar. Alright, and I went ahead and took some cooking shears. I cut one of the chicken tenders, the Chipotle chicken tenders, and put it on the pizza. And this is what it looks like afterwards. Really delicious, really yummy. And you're going to go ahead and bake the pizza on 450 degrees for 17 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.